Still rowing with your hands? No worries. LiTime turns your boat electric instantly. Portable, powerful, all in one. From 2 to 5 meter boats to high-performance systems up to 10 meters. Think that's the limit? No. Go electric, from paddle to power. LiTime energizes almost every boat you can imagine. We are the world's first brand, providing the complete solution for non-powered boat conversion, covering nearly all outboard types, with perfectly matched battery packages. Enjoy the freedom of power. Only at LiTime official website.